Hi, welcome back to another video of ours, and as you know, we have been reviewing TomTok products, and in this video also we are going to check out this Explorer T21, another product from TomTok. Let's get into the depth, know the features, details, design, so that you would know that if it's worth the purchase or not. This bag comes in 3 different sizes, small, medium and large, and the one that I have right now is the medium size with a volume of 7 liters. The bag weighs 465 grams and comes in only black colors. So not many options there, but then black goes with everything, right? So now getting on to the design part. This bag has a quite minimalist and clean look, and as you can see there's a textured type design on the bag, and it's not completely black, there's a grey shade and with the black, so it makes it look more aesthetic and clean. And it comes with a singular strap which can be adjusted according to your height. This bag has 3 compartments, one in the front, one in the middle and one in the back. Back pocket acts like a hidden pocket, but if you see clearly, the front pocket isn't quite visible. It just looks like a design, so if you want to keep your important stuff, this pocket also can act like a hidden pocket. And the things that you want to keep and want easy access to, it's good for that as well. And also it comes with a key leash which keeps your keys securely attached and avoid it from getting lost in the bag with other stuff. Now seeing the main compartment, which also comes with 4 different compartments in it, like 2 internally small elastic pockets where you can keep your smaller tech devices like charging cables or charger, and the another one is with the zipper part where you can, if you want to keep something which is important and you want to secure it, so you can secure it with the zipper pockets. And the third one, which is quite spacious, so you can keep your devices like power banks or iPad 11 Pro or the other stuff like your mobile phones, etc. And me being a girl, in summers if I am carrying a scarf or a stole, I think the compartments are quite spacious, so you can like fit in your makeup products or the stole and the scarves. Also, if seeing the material inside, the lining is quite soft and protective, so if you are putting your devices, especially with the screens and all, there are not going to be any scratches, or it's not going to damage your device or anything important that you're keeping inside the compartment. Now coming on to the third compartment, which acts like a hidden pocket, and it can be used to keep your cash, passport, mobile phone, especially when you're traveling or you're in a crowded place, because it stays close to your body, so it's quite safe and protective. And the space inside is also quite much, so it's not like that if you're keeping your phone you cannot keep anything else. You can keep a lot of stuff inside here, and even in this, the material is quite soft and protective. Now coming on to the zippers, all the compartments are secured with YKK zippers, which is a quite famous brand for zippers, and it is known for its smooth performance and long-term durability. Even the buckles are Duraflex buckles, which is built for long-term usage, and it stays stable when you wear it. Coming on to the material of the bag, the outer fabric is Cordura plastic nylon, which is tear resistant and it also provides water resistance. So you can wear it in any sort of situations or errands that you're running. And even the straps are double padded, and the straps that touches your body is silk material, so that it prevents from the scratches or irritation even if you wear it for long hours. You can style it in different ways, and it usually goes on the back, but if you want to easy access your pockets, you can bring it in front. So to be very honest, you can wear it either ways because it has a very simple and aesthetic look. And no matter if you're wearing oversized or slim fit, it's gonna look good with everything because it has that casual and simple urban look. If you want to see how you will look in it according to your height, this is how you're gonna look if you're 5'8", and even if you're shorter, this is how it's gonna look on you. If you think that it's quite, the size is big, you can also go with the smaller version of it. For me, to be honest, if I'm going with the medium size of this bag, I'd use it for the travel use, like putting my makeup or the skincare products and other essentials. because it's quite spacious and it can easily fit my travel essentials, and I can just put it in my trolley. To sum it up, the design, the material, the zippers, everything is for long-term use. And it's built in a way that you can use it for travels and daily usage. So it's not just convenient, but also gives you a very aesthetic and a casual look. So for similar videos like these, follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you soon.